Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off e-safety alerts to get periodic warnings on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. In the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on digital well-being and parental controls. Next, go down and tap on volume monitor. Next, tap on the option key at the top and then tap on use volume monitor from the pop-up. Make sure that you turn on use volume monitor, and at the bottom here, tap on e-safety alert. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. With this option turned on, you can get periodic warnings when you have been listening at high volume for longer than is safe. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.